Crude oil traded bullish yesterday and moved closer to $64 zone. Yes, the levels which we had discussed, that first thing is it has to trade beyond 63, then 63.6, and then 64 in order to confirm any kind of bullishness here. What has happened? We have seen a slight struggle in the same zone and it is staying flat as of now. While it is natural gas, which again as per expectation traded bearish but yet to break below the critical milestone at 3.1514. What to expect today from oil and gas? Are we looking forward to the trend to continue? Is it a reversal? And in crude oil prices, can we expect it to trade higher beyond 65, 66? And what about natural gas? Has it reversed? Are we looking forward to a drop below 3 here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas today? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates on oil and gas. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Also, we have the natural gas storage data released today, which might add on to the volatility into net gas prices. Thus, trade with caution. Let's start. First, we'll look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. This is a great motivation for me. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, as we discussed, oil on the hourly charts, clearly you can see how strong is this support line. With this support line, price is trading bullish. Now it is pretty clear. Now oil has to trade below 63 in order to confirm any kind of bearishness here. 63, 62.8 is the first support zone, 62.5, 62.4 is the second, and then 62, 61.8. Now what has happened since the crossover in the moving averages, the price is trading bullish, one stronger rise, then a pullback. Now I'll wait for the move again beyond 63.6, which will confirm the next move towards 64. Remember, it is trying to reverse, and if it trades beyond 64, we are staying bullish here for the day. Stochastic has dropped to the bottom. MACD, since the retracement is crossed over, and this is a slight bearish indication, hence it has to keep moving downwards. It appears so. Let's wait. It is possible that oil might try to trade with moderate bearishness before reversing. Stochastic dropped sharp right from the overbought zone. Look at 2-hour chart. See, on the 2-hour charts, every rise offsets with a drop here. And if you connect the lows, it is possible that oil prices might keep moving lower towards 63. Let's wait. Let's wait for it to trade below 63 and 62.8 in order to confirm reversal. The crossover here in the moving averages is also very good sign for the bulls. Stochastic bearish here. The MACD has retraced here, waiting for it to converge crossover for a sell. RSI trading bearish here. On the 3 hour charts, notice this rise, pullback, rise, pullback, rise. It might pull back all the way towards 63, and if it trades below 62.8, you can expect more bearishness here. Yes, this is a retracement cycle and it is delivering waves here. The bottom of the wave here right now at 63, 62.8, and a reversal confirmation below 62.5, 62.4. But right now it is staying bullish. The moving averages are also converged and these are on the verge of a crossover. 63 is indeed going to remain a very good support for the day. Stochastic at the top, trying to trade bearish. The MACD has also retraced, waiting for it to converge crossover for sell. It is not that oil cannot rise further. See, the drop here, it can keep on moving towards the top. RSI right now suggestive of slight bearishness here on the 3-hour charts. On the 4-hour, similar observation on the 4-hour charts here. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. Here it is delivering waves here. Let it come out on this wave, and the 62.4, 62.5 on the up downside and 63.6 on the upside are going to play the key role here. Now 64 is the level it has to trade beyond in order to confirm a breakout move. Moving averages have started to converge. Stochastic at the top. The MACD is still staying bullish, looking upwards. RSI is comfortably placed. Coming to daily. Now look at the daily charts and look at the move here. First, this sharp drop, then a retracement, lower lows here, lower highs. This is a retracement again. Now with the last drop, what it has done, it has breached past the support, though I do not see it closing below the preceding support here, which is a good sign that it can in fact possibly move towards double top and higher. But right now I can see a struggle as well. Now look at the last few candles on the daily charts. Higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Yesterday's candle indeed a swing here, and see it is closed at the 20 period as well. So once oil now trades beyond 63.6, you can expect it to move towards 64, 64.5, and then we can look forward to a greater rally here. Though the moving averages are right now trading bearish, but when you see the stochastic, this is posting a rise. The MACD is willing to cross over for a buy. The RSI is also rising. Looking at this, what you can do, I will first recommend you to only buy if you see it is staying beyond 63.6. Now, yes, before I give you the trading levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join the 34th mentorship batch starting coming Monday, 15th of September. Yes, all the tools, techniques, strategy, and our years of experience is put together in this mentorship batch. Join it today and enjoy your learning journey. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. If you're looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a SWIFT-free account with lowest percent, no hidden charges, zero commissions, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And those looking forward to just trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for your queries. Now, first 63.6 you can buy, 64 is the first target, 64.5 is the next. If oil decides to trade beyond 64.5, stay bullish for 65.2, 66 very, very soon, if not today. Where it closes today, that is going to be prime important. Any closer above 64.5 will be a very good indication of the next move towards 66. Let's wait for the move today. On the downside, I will recommend selling and at 63, but then 62.8, 62.7, very nearby supports here. Very good and very crucial support here. On the downside, then 62.5, 62.4 the next. If this is taken, expect 62, and if 62 is taken, 61.75, 61.5. Any drop below 61.5 this time, stay short for 60 very, very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. See, first of all, natural gas behaved as expected. I have mentioned it is trading bearish at lower highs, lower lows, and it has delivered lower lows here, yet to break below the critical supports on the triple bottom levels 3.15, 3.14. It has to trade below 3.14 in order to confirm any kind of bearishness here. What has happened? After the drop, it has stayed in the zone, waiting for a breakout. Though you can see the moving averages have crossed over, this is a slight bearish sign, but yes, it will nullify if it trades now beyond 3.2426 zone. You can say it's a reversal. It has formed a nice flag and then it will deliver a breakout move. Let's wait for the move today. Storage data might be the trigger point here. Stochastic bearish, the MACD already at bottom and the hourly charts waiting for it to stay bullish. RSI is also staying flat. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, you can see this a single line sharp drop retracement. It is consolidating here, and if you in fact see natural gas trading beyond 3.2 itself, you can buy, but then 3.225, 3.24, 3.26 are the levels it needs to breach in order to confirm a possible reversal today. Stochastic trading bearish, MACD bearish, RSI is almost staying flat here. On the 3 hour, see on the 3 hour chart, this is a consolidation. Wait for it to come out of this consolidation zone. If at all it decides to trade above 3.2, you can expect more bullishness to prevail. 3.22, 3.23 first, 3.24, 3.26 the second, and then beyond this 3.3 will arrive. Right now I can see a struggle, but also notice the support here on the downside is pretty strong. Very, very important for natural gas to trade below 3.1 in order to confirm any kind of bearishness today. Stochastic plays comfortably. MACD trading with sharp divergence in bearishness. The RSI is also trading bearish here. On the 4 hour, similar observation. One more observation is the support it is getting from the 50 period. And thus, again, this is the zone it has to break. This is also 50 period, and that is why 3.1514 should be the key for the day. Also notice the momentum here is getting diminished. It has to come out of this consolidation zone, which means any move beyond 3.2 will be a good sign for a reversal. MACD here is bearish. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, the drop here, the retracement, the drop here, lower lows here. Possibly it could retrace all the way towards lower highs, because see, this is already breached this zone and heading higher. Heading higher means 3.6, 3.8 zone. But right now, when you look at the move in the recent time frame, see the drop, the retracement, and now if it trades below 3.1514, you can expect it to move towards 3.1 and 3. Any move below 3 is a clear sign of a greater correction. Remember, it has formed a cusp here, and since forming the cusp, it is now looking downwards. Today's move is going to play a major role here. Hence, you have to watch out. If it breaches past the support here on the downside, we are going to look at a stronger move. And remember, in the near future, any drop below 2.97 is again an indication of greater bearishness ahead. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD in green trying to converge crossover for sell, the RSI staying flat here. Considering this, what I will recommend is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy at 3.2 itself. Expect 3.225, 3.2526. If this is taken, then 3.3. And if 3.3 is taken, I will look forward to 3.35, 3.4 zone very, very soon. On the downside, where you should sell, I will recommend a selling entry at 3.16. Expect 3.14, 3.1, 3.06 and 3. Below 3, again 2.97 you should watch out for. Any drop below 2.97, you can just stay short for 2.9 to 2.86, 2.78 levels very, very soon, if not today. Trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.